Hi everyone, I am your friend Karan and today I will be reviewing Nature's Short Jonk tail.
Jonk oil is also known as leech oil, is one of the oldest traditional systems originated in the Indian subcontinent over 5000 years ago, used as an effective therapy for hair loss, hair fall and other hair related problems. Nature's Short Jonk tail nourishes scalp and hair shafts, keeping them stronger and younger. It's 100% pure, prepared with high quality ingredients free from toxins. It's a recommended oil for hair and scalp clarity that promote faster healing of hair related issues at source. Just apply into scalp and roots. Gently massage in circular motion. Wash away next morning to treat your hair loss and boost hair strength. Nature's Short Jonk tail also remove dandruff and fungus. It is also beneficial in enhancing vitality in life and can be easily used by both men and women. So keep your hair stronger and younger with Nature's Short Jonk oil.